Hello everybody, this is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I have another Woody Woodpecker reaction. This one is going to be Fair Weather Fiends from 1946. So yeah, let's get into it.
Guess who?
It's Woody. Oh wow, is that Woody's boat? Ah, Wowzy, the Posy Wowzy. It's Wally Walrus. Oh no. Okay,
Pretty soft, huh, pal?
but, but it has to be Wally's boat, right? Cause no way it's Woody's or this Wolf's boat. Is it? He's the same Wolf from the last episode, right?
Yes, sir. There's nothing like a sea voyage with a good old pal Wowzy.
So they're friends.
Have some more turkey, pal.
Okay. I mean, hey, they're enjoying the life, man. On a boat, eating some good food. Ooh, a storm. Ooh, yeah, it's not good, man. That day after day, the storm mounted in fury. Yeah, that storm came quick, man. But yeah, that's how it is, man. Like storms, they just sometimes they come without notice. I mean, they just hit you quick, and then suddenly it dismounted. Okay, but I'm sure it caused a bunch of damage. Oh, I left him on that little island. Oh yeah. Oh wow. What? Oh okay. Okay, that looked weird because it looked like the body parts were, like they were in different places or something. Oh man. Full. Empty.
Boy, am I hungry.
Oh, they're gonna try to eat each other.
Look at me. I'm just damn bored.
Oh wow. Okay, we didn't need to see that, Woody. Hey, water. Okay. It's just a shell.
Made it. This is mine.
Oh, it's a clam, right? Or what is that? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, come on. I mean, yeah, I understand. I understand. Like, you're hungry. You don't want the pearls. But I mean, come on, you could just save the pearls, and then hopefully when you get when you get out of here safely, you could sell the pearls. Oh, I was gonna eat it. I'm gonna try to eat it. The hair of the bird. Come on, don't eat him. You can't eat him. He's a cool little guy. Ah, it's Woody. Oh man, it's both of them, man. Man, like Woody has some sharp teeth. I don't think I've ever seen Woody's teeth before. Man, yeah, they're both hungry, man. Like he doesn't even know what's going on, man. How did he get two heads? Oh man, that's funny, man. Oh, the guitar. Okay, yeah, there you go. I like this bird, man. He's funny. Now get out of there. They're trying to eat you. Yeah, they deserve that. I'm not gonna lie. They deserve that. Oh man, this is a smart bird, man. Oh yeah, I mean they deserve that. Like they were trying to eat him. He's just defending himself. But he's very funny, man. Yeah, now they're gonna try to eat each other, just as I thought.
Food.
Yeah? Well, so do I.
Okay, pal.
Yeah, I think this is the same wolf, wasn't it, from the last from the other episode where they were trying to eat each other.
You go that way, and I'll go this way.
They're always trying to eat each other, man. Who has who? Oh, okay.
That I found.
Oh.
So what? Look what I found.
Oh no! How are they floating in the air? Like, yeah, you might, I mean, it's like they're just biting each other. Like, of course that's gonna hurt. Oh man.
You know,
It's not even
I
cooked or
think my
anything.
friend tried to eat me.
Yeah, you think? Fishing. Or you could go fishing. There, you could go fishing. There's a fishing rod right there. Just catch some fish. Oh no! Oh, so he just, oh man. So he's using that fake fish as bait. Oh, you get it. But for the wolf, not for the fishes. Oh man, it's crazy. And all they need to find is like, like any type of insect or anything to use as bait, and they could catch a fish and eat that. But no, they're set on eating each other. Oh man. That was funny, man. No, the fish doesn't want to go. What was that? Oh, wow. Yeah, I was wondering, like, what was that? All that liquid. He's making a soup, okay. Some wolf soup.
Soup. What kind is it?
Is it you? Yeah,
Try some.
Green Day Wolf. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? His eyes, yeah, that's you. Like you're the main thing for the soup.
You know,
Like he's the source of protein for the soup. Oh man, it's like why? Like he felt that he was grabbing his leg. It's like why did he bite it?
for a moment, I thought that was my own leg.
Oh, you see, still not sure. Oh no, why are you going for a second? That is your own leg. Oh man. Oh, this wolf is not the brightest, man. Like I thought he knew from the first time he bit himself. No, he went for a second time. He just had to be sure that was his leg. Oh man. Woody's over here laughing, man. Ooh. Oh, he got him. What is he gonna do with him? Oh, bread slicer. Why is that there? Oh no. Woody. I hope Woody got out of there. I don't see how he got out, but I mean, we'll see. But it's I'm still thinking about the bread slicer. Why is there just a bread slicer there? Like, it makes no sense for that to just be on a deserted island. But let's see where Woody is. Hopefully he's okay. Where's Woody? Where's Woody? Oh no! Ow! Ouch! Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, so Woody got out of there. Wow, man. Where did he get that meat grinder? Man. Oh, man. Oh. Man, and then like there's a bunch of trees and stuff. Or they could drink like coconut water and stuff, right? There's a bunch of coconuts. But they're just set on eating each other, man. It's like, or I'm sure there'd be some type of like bananas or something on the trees, right? They would just look, but no, they want to eat each other. Where did he get the tank though? I just noticed. Oh, Woody, no, they both have tanks. Oh wow, look at all that food. Goonies, hot dogs, and hamburgers. Wow, like just get some of those hot dogs and burgers, man. Like. Like this bird, he's living it up in this island, man. There you go, eat the burgers. There you go. There you go.
My good old pal.
Now they're best friends again.
Wowdy, wowdy.
Just don't get hungry. It's like, as long as they're food, it's okay. I mean, they're friends again.
Have another hot dog, Woody, old pal.
It's like none of that ever happened. Oh no! No way! Yeah, that's your son. Woody, man. His laugh is funny, man. Come on, Woody. You didn't have to do that at the end, but but that was hilarious, though, man. Another great Woody Woodpecker cartoon for sure. Yeah. Oh man, yeah, I could have swore that was the same wolf from the last time they were trying to eat each other. Oh man, yeah, it's like they're always trying to eat each other, man. And even in the end, Woody found a way to trick the wolf. Oh man, no, but no complaints at all. This is a very funny one for sure. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.